guys, I'm back with fifth day, fifth color, and we are doing blue today, as you can see. So let's get started with the video. So I'm using this SFR palette and taking that brown shade for my crease. I'm going to apply it on my crease like this. I'll just place it on the outer corner and drag it inwards like I do usually. I'm just going to build the color slowly, and then I'm going in with this blue eyeshadow. I'll be placing it all over my eyelids. So this blue color will act as a base for my next eyeshadow. So yes, I'm just going to apply it and make sure it's blended with the brown color, that's crease color. The next step, using this same palette because we have all the colors in this. So I'm taking that blue shade for my eyelids. I'm placing it all over my eyelids, and then I'll make sure it's blended with the crease color. So after placing the color with a flat brush, I'm going in with this fluffy blending brush and make sure there are no harsh edges, and placing the eyeshadow one more time. Then next step, I'm using this Wet n Wild pressed eyeshadow. This is a glitter pressed eyeshadow, and this is how it looks. It has this balm kind of a texture like a Vaseline, so it will help me to place the glitter. So I'll just apply it all over my eyelids, and then I'm using this glitters on top of that. So you need to work with section, and this idea did work well, so it made my glitters stick on the place. And yes, that was all I did. And next up, I'm using these two eyeliners. So first I'll be lining my eyes with this black eyeliner, and then I'm winging it out like this, and then I'm joining it to the outer corner like I'm doing here, and then I'm filling it inside like this. So once I was done using black eyeliner, I went ahead with this blue eyeliner all over my eyelids, and this helped me to make the glitters stay on place. And that's all I did for this eye makeup. It was so easy, and it did help my glitters stay on place. So yes, that was it. And then I did clean up my fallouts and then curled my lashes, and I used this Maybelline lash sensational mascara for my upper and lower lashes. So I'm just coating both of my lashes, and then I'm moving on with this blue kajal from Blue Heaven. I'm just going to apply it on the waterline. And then moving on with the face, I'm using this Wet n Wild foundation, but before that I did use this aloe vera gel as a primer, and then I'm using foundation on top. Then I did apply concealer, and this is how it looks. And then I did set my face with the compact. Then coming back to eye makeup, I used that same eyeshadow for my lower lashes, and I smudged that eyeshadow on the lower lashes, and then I did finish off my eye makeup with the mascara. Then next step, I'm using this SIVANNA palette for contouring my face. I did contour my cheekbones, jawline and nose. And then I'm using that same blush from that palette, and I did blended everything out with the beauty blender again. Then next I'm using same highlighter from the same palette and highlighting my highest points as usual. You know the drill. So that's all. After that, I'm using this NY Bay nude pencil on my lips. Then I finished my look with this setting spray all over my face, and yes, we are done with this fifth day, fifth color. And I really hope you all liked it. And if you haven't watched all my videos, I'll put that in the description box. You can check all of my 4 videos which are inspired by rainbow. So yes, with that I'll wrap this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, bell button, everything. Bye.
Move that body, move that body.